Good morning all. I am Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, cardiologist from Sunshine Hospital. We will talk about healthy heart and happy heart. How can we be healthy and maintain our cardiac status for long? First we have to identify what are the diseases which affect our heart health. The most common diseases of one is blood pressure. Hypertension is common in 25% of the individuals and 75% of them do not have any symptoms. It is a silent killer and it shows its colors over a period of years. How does it present? It can present with weak heart, we call it as heart failure. It can present with heart attacks. It can present with stiff heart where you feel breathlessness later in life. Ask yourself, how many people among you, when you walk 2 flights of stairs, 2 floors walking and you feel breathless? This is not uncommon in population to have breathlessness while walking upstairs. But we keep on preventing not getting our blood pressure checked. How is the blood pressure checked? Whenever we are anxious, our blood pressure is little more. That's why we advocate checking from an automated machines like this at home, taking multiple readings and charting them and going to your cardiologist and getting an impression whether your blood pressure is high or normal, and two, whether you need any preventive measures to control those blood pressure by medicine or by diet. Let us continue on diet. How does people develop blood pressure? We develop blood pressure not in one day but over a period of time because we have a tendency to take more salt. Generally, our requirement of salt is less than 1 gram a day, but we generally consume more than 1.5 gram of salt a day. Even consuming less than 1.5 grams a day less salt, your chance of developing blood pressure is really low. How do you understand that we have consumed 1.5 grams? If you take a pinch of salt by 3 fingers, it is equal to 1.5 grams. That amount of salt you should take every single day or less than that. So how do we decrease our intake of salt? One is to avoid the food and the preserved or the canned foods which have high quantity of salt. So have a habit of reading labels which says that preserved in salt or high sodium content. Second is don't add excess salt in your diet. And third is don't use the salt sprays over your fruits and vegetables. This is about taking salt and preventing the disease. What can we do to have low blood pressure? We have to increase the intake of potassium and magnesium. How do we do that? Using more amount of fruits, vegetables and nuts. They increase the amount of potassium and magnesium in your diet and they naturally decrease your blood pressure. There is a concept called DASH, the DASH diet. DASH means dietary approach to stop hypertension, in which the most important pillar is less salt intake. Second is consuming more nuts, fruits and vegetables. Third is taking monounsaturated fatty acids like olive oils and nuts. The fourth is exercise. How much exercise should I do? Actually, moderate intensity, that means the exercise that will make you feel breathless for at least 30 minutes a day for at least 5 days a week is required for all of us to maintain a healthy and a happy heart. What is Mediterranean diet? Same approaches that I told you in DASH diet. If we add monounsaturated fat, it becomes a Mediterranean diet. How do we control if we already have a heart disease? The most important instrument that you should know, that you should have, is a weight instrument. If you monitor your weight and do not eat extra salt, and do not let your weight go more than 1 or 2 kgs haywire, or drink more water, then you can maintain your heart failure status and you can have a happy and a healthy heart. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar from Sunshine Hospital, Hyderabad.